What's up, YouTube? Today I'm bringing you another Copart walk around. Today we got some pretty interesting stuff, so stick around. Make sure if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we're gonna get on into the walk around. 21,000 for the car, bro. Yeah. Sorry for the wind, but here we got a GTR. Damn, look at them wheels. Damn, his head must have hit the thing right there. Damn. Oh, I wanted to jump start this bitch. I want to hear it. I wonder could we fit in the back seats, you think, bro? Yeah, if the seats was, if they was scooted up, though.
I went to that bitch up, though. Look at my feet. Ain't nobody riding with me. You got two feet.
This low key got a nice car, though.
Damn, what a kid.
Hey, no, people be having big grown-ass people in the back seats, though.
I'm not having nobody in it.
Ah, somebody stole the key. That's what the people do. They steal the key, so, like, when they bid on them, people think it don't come with a key. So somebody probably stole the key. Just so somebody else can't bid on it. That shit got a carbon fiber wing. Got these nice wheels on it. Twin turbo V6. Look, bro. Look, bro. Twin turbo V6, boy. God.
220 on the dash, nigga.
Look at that. Hand built. That shit was hand built, man.
Know that shit quick.
Fast as fuck. Fast as hell. Ferrari 360. Ooh. Oh, it's got power too. Oh my God, where's the key? Oh, I want to turn this bitch on. Oh shit, I want to turn this bitch on.
Get that key. Yeah, I'm tweaking. Ferrari.
Ferrari.
I'm tweaking. Let me tell one of these.
I want to ask him, can we start it? V8? They let you drive it?
Well, it rained yesterday, so we had to work in here, so we had to pull these cars out and put them outside.
Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna rev it. That shit nice. Hold on. You got a Honda Civic. I mean, I don't even know if it's a Civic. I don't even know what it is, but it's an SI. It's a manual. Quarter exhaust. Exhaust. What is this? Is this a Hemi or is this a V6? It start, but they don't say it dry though.
It's probably dead.
It's find something else to look at. Something that didn't start.
Cars don't even be fucked up, bro. They do look right.
This hey, I'm about to say something, but it could be. Never mind. I'm about to say this shit do not. I'm about to say this do not look messed up, but never mind. I'm about to say that do not look messed up. That Chevy Cruze look not too bad. It's just got a little dent in the back. Sonata, this one run. It took a quarter panel hit. Damn.
Damn. Damn.
Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I tried to open it. That stuff over there on sale too. I see a Civic S. I mean a Focus SI over there too. Oh, I still drive one of these. I like these.
Damn. Oh shit. You can see.
Got that bitch all the way back. And it's dead. They smoke cigarettes in this thing.
I ate Audi like the movie Trump.
It's in. Oh, they got a Tesla. It's right there. Damn, they got this bitch hidden.
Look at the back.
Oh yeah, we seen the back already. Damn! Damn! And it's the fast one too.
It wouldn't even be no.
Oh God. Everything goddamn electric, so you're not gonna be able to open it. The key in there though. It's in there for sure. Look at the big ass screen.
I know you can't goddamn open it from the inside.
Look at that big ass screen in there, mother.
Oh damn, it's electric on the inside too.
That screen in there, boy. Damn. Okay, I'm on my Duke. I'm in my Duke dinner shit right here. I bet that Tesla kid. Corvette, an old one. Oh, that looks bad. Oh no, maybe. Put it back. Put it back. Yeah, that's the hidden motherfucker right here. Oh, it's flooded. They look flooded, but it might still run. Oh, it's too dead. Yeah, it's too dead. So right now we're in a Porsche Cayenne. I don't think this is the turbo version. I think this is just the regular version. But it's the interior. Sorry, I've been cutting in and out. We just been having fun out here. We haven't really been like taking it serious. We just been having a lot of fun. But yeah, here's the Porsche Cayenne. Look at the steering wheel.